video, we see the objective questions related to certification agencies which controls the quality of the products in India. If you like my video, don't forget to share, like and subscribe. Now let's start the multiple choice questions. The first question is ISI mark is mentioned on the products related to. Option A, industrial products, B, processed food, C, non-polluting vehicles, D, agricultural products. Your answer is industrial products. Here I want to discuss with you ISI mark. ISI full form is Indian Standards Institution. This was established in 1955 for industrial products. The ISI mark is mandatory for those products to be sold in India like switches, electric motors, writing cables, heaters, kitchen appliances, cement, LPG cylinders, automotive tires. The mandatory 7-digit license number is required by BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards. The IS number on top of the ISI mark which signifies the Indian standard. This is about our Indian Standards Institution. Next question is, which certificate is required to jewelers in the market? Option A, FPO mark, B, egg mark, C, BIS hallmark, D, none of these. Your answer is BIS hallmark. The BIS hallmark is hall making system for gold as well as silver jewelry sold in India to certify the purity of the metal. BIS is the national standard body of India which is established under the BIS Act 2016 means 2016. And the full form is Bureau of Indian Standards. The standards are set by Bureau of Indian Standards. This is effective from 2002 gold jewelry and from 2005 for silver jewelry. But now at this time from 2016 this is a standard for all of the agencies and you can say all of the products. The next question is FPO mark certificate is given to option A, agricultural products, B, industrial products, C, eco-friendly products, D, all processed food products. The FPO mark certificate is given to all processed food products. So your right answer is D, all processed food products. FPO full form is Fruit Products Order. This is a certification mark for all processed fruits products sold in India such like packaged fruits, beverages, fruit jams, squashes, pickles, dehydrated fruit products and fruit extracts following the Food Safety and Standard Act of 2006. The standards of FPO come in force at 1955. Ministry of Food Processing Industries issue the mark, but it comes in mandatory category from 2006. This is all about the FPO. The next question, which of the following is matched correctly? A, egg mark, and the option is given here, the jewelry. B, ISI mark for agri products. C, eco mark issued for organic products. D, FPO mark all processed food products. The right answer is here FPO mark, because in earlier question I have said about it, the FPO marks is about all processed food products. I will discuss all the terms: egg mark. Already I discussed here the ISI mark, eco mark, as like the questions will come. The next question, fifth, who issues ISI mark in India? The option A, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. B, National Standard Organization of India. C, Bureau of Indian Standard. D, B and C both. The right answer is D, B and C both. Means ISI mark is issued by National Standard Organization as well as Bureau of Indian Standard, BIS. The next question, COPRA is related to. The option A, environment friendly products. B, child rights. C, protection of consumer rights. D, organic products. The right answer is protection of consumer rights. COPRA is a Consumer Protection Act. It was commenced in 24 December 1986. You should know about it. 1986. The next question is, which body issues FPO mark? The option A, Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. B, Bureau of Indian Standard. C, Ministry of Environment and Protection. D, none of these. Then the answer is Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, FSSAI. The full form is FSSAI is Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, and this issues the FPO mark. Which of following statement is not correct? A, ISI mark, BIS mark and eco mark are issued by the Bureau of Indian Standard. It's right. B, BIS hallmark is given only to gold jewelry. No, this is also given to silver jewelry also. So this is a wrong, and this will be right answer for us. The next option we will see here, India Organic is a certification mark for organically framed food. D, Bureau of Indian Standard is the national standard body of India. All of these are right, except BIS hallmark is given only to gold jewelry. The next question, since when FPO mark is mandatory for the concerned products? Option A, 2006. B, 1993. C, 2000. D, 1986. The right answer is 2006. Who issues Ecomark certificate? The option A, Ministry of Environment. B, Bureau of Indian Standard. C, Ministry of Consumer Affairs. D, Ministry of Commerce. Ecomark certificate always issued by the Bureau of Indian Standard. Then the right answer is BIS, option B. The next question, 12. Eggmark Act 1937 comes under option A, Department of Consumer Affairs, Government of India. B, Department of Agriculture and Cooperation. C, Department of Marketing and Inspection. D, Department of Legal Meteorology. This comes under the Department of Consumer Affairs, Government of India. The right answer is A. Next question, what is an example of biological hazard? The option A, Salmonella. B, dirt. C, cleaners. D, antibiotics. And option A is right here, Salmonella. Salmonella typhi. And this is used as biological hazard. This caused typhoid. What is HACCP system for? Option A, physical, chemical and biological hazards. B, a systematic analysis of all steps and regular monitoring of the control points. C, identifying the CCPs including their location, procedure and process. D, accurately monitoring food hygiene hazards. HACCP system is used for the analysis of all steps and regular monitoring of the control points. This controls each and every system, and this comes under the quality management. So our right answer is B. SPS under WTO stands for the option A, standards, prevention and specification. B, sanitary and phytosanitary measures. C, specifications for products and supplements. D, safety and prevention of sickness. The right answer is B, sanitary and phytosanitary measurements. SPS full form is sanitary and phytosanitary measures, and full form of WTO is World Trade Organization. W for World, T for Trade, O for Organization. The SPS agreement increases the transparency of sanitary and phytosanitary measures. A special committee has been established within the WTO forum for the exchange of information among the member of the governments. So we use here the SPS according to WTO. The next question we will see, Food Safety and Standards Act 2006 passed by Indian Parliament and notified on option A, 23rd July 2006, B, 23rd June 2006, C, 23rd August 2006, D, 23rd November 2006. The right answer is 23rd August 2006. I want to discuss here about the FSSAI, and here the abbreviation is Food Safety and Standardization is FSSAI. FSSAI, not this one. Food Safety and Standards Act. This is an autonomous body established under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. This body acts under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, and it has been established under the Food Safety and Standards Act 2006. This comes in existence in 2011. एक्ट तो बन गया आपका 2006 में, लेकिन ये एग्जिस्टेंस में कब आए? आपके फोर्स बिल जो इसने मैंडेटरी हमारे लिए की गई वो कब से? 2011 से. इट्स हेडक्वार्टर इज इन न्यू दिल्ली. These are the important points for the Food Safety and Standardization Act. The next question is ISO 19011 is 2011 Quality Management System deals with option A, specifications with guidance for use, B, guidelines for performance improvements, C, customer satisfaction. The right answer is guidelines for quality and or environmental management system auditing. The full form of ISO is International Organization for Standardization, and this worked on the quality management system. The next question is coffee is adulterated with the option A, sawdust, B, chicory, C, ghee, D, all of these. The coffee is adulterated with chicory because the shape and the color is like coffee. Sugar and salt act as preservatives by the option A killing microorganisms directly, B increasing the acid content of food, C increasing the water content of food, D binding water, so it is not available for microorganisms. I think so. Already I have discussed in the preservative units, and this is the questions of the part 1. The right answer is binding water, so it is not available for microorganisms. The next question, out of these, which bacteria is found in processed or cured meat? The option A, Moraxella, B, Alkalizins, C, Pseudomonas, D, Lactobacillus. The right answer is Lactobacillus. How many acts are repealed by Food Safety and Standards Act 2006? They are up to 8 times that has been repealed by Food Safety and Standards Act till now. The option A 4, B 7, C 5, D 8, and the right answer is 8. Currently standards are present for which of the following? A. First, packaged drinking water. Second, piped drinking water. Third, well and canal water. The option A, first and second. B, first. C, first and third. D, all of the above. In this way, the 3 options are given here. And for the standards, that packaged drinking water is have the standards, and pipe drinking water they have follow the standards, well and canal water follow the standards, but we know only the packaged drinking water follow the standards, so the right answer is option B, first. The next, which of the following are true about potassium bromate? Potassium bromate is a category 2B carcinogen. Potassium bromate increases dough strength, leads to higher rising and uniform finish to baked products. Food Safety and Standards Authority of India FSSAI permits them up to 50 parts per million. All the 3 options are right here because potassium bromate comes under the category of 2B carcinogen, and this also increases dough strength, and it increases the higher rising and uniform finish to baked products. All of you seen a very finished your dough and your burger, that they are because of this. Food Safety and Standards Authority of India also permits it's up to 50 parts per million. This means we can add the 50 parts per million in our food. The mandate assigned to the Food Authority is the option A, laying down science-based standards for articles of food. B, to facilitate food safety. C, to regulate manufacture, store, distribution, sale and import of food. D, all of the above. The Food Authority is mandatory for the laying down science-based standards for articles of food, and it also facilitates the food safety. It regulates the manufacturing, storage, distribution, sale and import of the food. This means all of the options are correct. So our right answer is all of the above and option D. How many scientific panels have been constituted in Food Authority? The option A 16, B 7, C 9, D 5 up, and the right answer is here 9. The 9 panels have been considered till now by the Food Authority. Benefits of implementing HACCP ISO 22000. Option A, a preventive approach to food safety. B, reduce the need for and cost of end product testing. C, can help identify process improvements and reduce customer complaints. D, all of the above. ISO 22000 and HACCP is used to prevent approach to food safety, and they reduce also the need for and cost of the end product testing. Even the cost of the product is also minimized, and it helps identify process improvements so we can reduce the customer complaints. So all of the options are correct here. The next one is, which of these is not an international standards and statutes? Option A, Codex Alimentarius Commission, CAG, CAC. B, European Union Standards, EU Standards. C, Food and Agriculture Organization, FAO. D, Bureau of Indian Standards. The right answer is D, Bureau of Indian Standards, because it's not an international standard. FSSAI is located in 5 regions with head office located at. The FSSAI head office is in New Delhi, and they have also the 5 regions, means they have their sub offices in 5 states also. The right answer is D, New Delhi. ISO 9001 to 2008 Quality Management Systems deals with option A, fundamentals and vocabulary. B, guidelines for performance improvements. C, customer satisfaction. D, requirements for quality management. ISO is totally related to the quality management. So always look for the quality. Then the right answer of here is requirements for good quality management. As per the definition for food under the Food Act in India, food does not include option A, alcoholic beverages. B, caffeinated beverages. C, chewing gum. D, chewing tobacco. Chewing tobacco not comes under the definition according to Food Act in India. As per Food Safety and Standards Act, FSMS stands for option A, Food Security Management System. B, Food Safety Management System. C, Food Standards Management System. D, Food Safety Mechanization System. Your right answer is Food Safety Management System, the option B. F for food, S for safety, M for management, S for system. Don't be confused because all of have same. As per section 3rd of Food Safety and Standards Act 2006, a food article sold in the market, it contains any inferior or cheaper substances, whether whole or partially, which is injurious to health, then such products can be called as A, substandard, B, unsafe, C, misbranded, D, partially substandard. The right answer is unsafe. This will not in the according to food section, not substandard, not misbranded, not partially substandard. It will come under the totally unsafe for us. As per section 22 of FSS Act 2006, food for special dietary uses of or functional foods or nutraceuticals or health supplements does not include the option A, botanical extracts. B, vitamin supplements. C, parenterals. D, probiotics. As in my series of part 4th, I have discussed the nutraceuticals, the botanical extracts, vitamin supplements and probiotics, prebiotics. They come under the nutraceutical and functional foods, but the parenterals does not come under the nutraceuticals. The right answer will be here, the parenterals. If you have not watched my earlier videos, then you can go through that. Food Authority may notify laboratories and research institutions accredited by NABL and such accreditation agencies wherein NABL stands for. The option A, National Accreditation Board for Laboratories. B, National Accreditation Board for Testing Laboratories. C, National Accreditation Board for Calibration Laboratories. D, National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration Laboratories. The right answer is National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration Laboratories. Act order which is not deemed after implementation of Food Safety and Standards Act 2006. The option A, Fruit Products Order 1955, B, Prevention of Food Adulteration Act 1954, C, Milk and Milk Products Order 1992, D, Standard Weights and Measures Act 1976. The right answer is here Standard Weights and Measures Act 1976. Analysis report format shall be followed by the food analyst under the FSSR 2011. Then your right answer is form 7th A. There are various forms under the FSSR for analyzing the report. The form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But analysis report format followed the food analyst by the form 7th A. I want to go through the ECMARC also. ECMARC is used for the agriculture products in India. The ECMARC head office is in Faridabad, Haryana. ECMARC standards cover quality guidelines for 222 different commodities: pulses, cereals, essential oils, vegetable oils, fruits and vegetables, and semi-processed products like vermicelli. Central ECMARC laboratory is placed in Nagpur. ECMARC the central laboratory is placed in Nagpur. There are 11 regional ECMARC laboratories also. These are the cities where they are situated, like Mumbai, New Delhi, Chennai, Kolkata, Kanpur, Kochi, Guntur, Amritsar, Jaipur, Rajkot, Bhopal. This is all about the ECMARC. And the next is India Organic. You should know about the India Organic. India Organic is used for organically formed food. It is used for organically formed food. It certifies that an organic food product conforms to the national standards for organic products. Was established in 2000. The raw material India Organic. The raw material fruits, cereals, vegetables are grown without use of fertilizer, pesticides or induced hormones. This agency also certified by the APIDA. APIDA, A-P-E-D-A. APIDA full form is A for agriculture and P for processed agriculture and processed food products Export Development Authority. APIDA full form is Agricultural and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority. I think so. This covers your certifying agency is in India, and this will be valuable for your exams also. If there is something any lacking, or then I will introduce much more agencies, but here I have only discussed most important agencies. If you like my videos, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.